This car you see here is a 2004 Toyota Camry. We're about to install some LEDs on the low beam and fog lights. So if you want to do the same to your car, I'm going to show you how. The good thing about this Toyota Camry, the low beam and fog lights are the same size, 9006. We're jumping over to the fog lights. The way you take these off, you come under the bumper, there's screws here. But let's go on the passenger side. I took off the plastic that goes right here so you can get a clear look. So it goes the bulb right there. The size is a 9006. Grab it, twist it off. And to take this off, there's a clip right here, look. You see it right here? Push that and then unclip it. Now grab your LED, it should be a plug and play. You just plug it in. It should turn right on, just like this. The way I'm gonna get to the LED right now on the passenger side is the same way you do it on the driver's side. So you unscrew this plastic piece right here at the bottom and you get to the LED right there. Same thing goes for the driver's side. The only reason I took off the plastic on top of the tire on the driver's side is because I wanted you to get a clear look.